Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to API gateways using JWT from your VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to API gateways using JWT from your VPS, start by setting up your virtual private server. Ensure your VPS has an environment that supports the programming language you plan to use. Install necessary libraries or packages to handle HTTP requests and JWT encoding and decoding. Next, create a key pair used for signing the JWT. This often consists of a private key and a public key. Use your choice of programming language to craft a JWT. Begin by defining the header, which typically specifies the algorithm and token type. Then, define the payload, which contains the claims you want to send in the token. Common claims include issuer, subject, audience, and expiration time. Once you have the header and payload, encode them using your chosen signing algorithm, often HS256 or RS256. After coding the JWT, the next step is to send it to the API gateway. Craft an HTTP request, including the JWT in the authorization header, formatted as bearer token. Make sure to specify the appropriate HTTP method, such as GET, POST, or PUT, depending on your API's requirements. Send the request from your VPS to the API gateway endpoint. Monitor the response to verify if the authentication was successful. If the response indicates an error, check your JWT for proper formatting, claims, and signing. In case of a successful response, proceed to interact with the API as needed. Always ensure to handle any sensitive information securely when working with JWTs and API credentials. Finally, with each interaction, consider refreshing your JWT if the API requires it for extended sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.